What's going on, buddy? I'm Dan Unfiltered. This is Unfiltered Reactions. And continuing As I Lay Dying, Shaped by Fire album with Gatekeeper. Just by the name, you know someone's gonna get their ass kicked. You just tell. You just tell. You gotta do like the neck snaps and like, oh, stretching. Alright, let's get into this. If you guys are new, of course, subscribe. I'm doing the whole album, so if you're a big As I Lay Dying fan, or of hard rock / metal in general, check it out. At the end of the video, there will be a little spot to click on for the full album playlist. Gatekeeper. Let's see if I'm right. I gotta be right. Scared the shit out of me. Okay. Yep. Oh. The pace is crazy. Nice. Oh. This is all carnage. Oh. It's oh. Just the pedals. Good fucking God. All right. If we just go back in time where I said that judging by the name Gatekeeper, it sounds like it's going to be someone's going to get their ass whooped. That was an understatement. I did not expect full-blown shotgun to the face. No survivors. My God. That's my cardio. I should have been wearing my Fitbit just to see how many calories I fucking burned. With all upper body movement. Fuck. Oh, man. Well, that's the first song. That's definitely, so far, up to this point for me, this is not close. The heaviest song on the album so far. Bar none. By far. There was no clean vocals. None. And every song so far, I believe, that I remember, have had at least some clean vocals. Nada. He got to take this one off. Whoo! That was crazy. That was crazy. I need like a water boy. I need give me some Gatorade, put a towel over my head. I need a sub. Coach, sub me out, man. Get Andrew in here. Fuck. Alright, guys. As I lay dying, I told you, there are levels, and I just feel like this album for them they're on a different level than they were when I was younger. Like, they're a lot better. I barely recognize them in terms of, for my taste, in terms of skill. It just sounds, it's right up my alley now. Like before, I was like, As I Lay Dying is an okay metal band. Now it's like, damn, they're good. They're fucking good. And I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Birthday coming up. I'm excited, so that's probably why there's been breaks in the uploads. You know, I'm kind of preparing for stuff, and I'm gonna upload something on my birthday. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do, but something. And also, I'm gonna try to do something a little unique on Halloween. Be there, check it out. Also, I'm gonna do a live stream soon. Not on my birthday, because I think that would be. I might be a mess. We don't need a mess on YouTube. But anyway, I will be out of here, guys. I got to watch Cavaliers play opening night. Fuck. I might have to watch them. Just cause I'm a fan. Like, but it's not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be easy. But that's all good. Let's tank. Let's get the first pick. Let's rebuild. I'm out of here, guys. It's been a while since I've done this. Oh, if you're still here, then you are a real one.